Now, this is part 2 of Unit 2 of chapter Gender in French Revolution from the general elective Gender in Modern World. Now, in this video, we will be discussing on the topic of role of salons in the French Revolution. Beginning with it. Now, what are salons? Salons are evening gatherings of Paris high society. Now, we would like to focus on the word Paris high society. Here, the word high society itself refers to that the members in these salons would be from classes will be wealthy people from high class who are educated, who have those resources, who could afford to host these gatherings. So these were evening gatherings of Paris high society where new ideas about three things here it is mentioned, where new ideas about first educational activities, second property rights, and third other rights of individuals were being discussed. So here educational activities, whether it's been or property or any other rights of individuals, all were discussed in these salons. Now, these gatherings existed before the revolutions and were often hosted by wealthy and witty wives of distinguished men in French society. So it's not like that after the French Revolution, these salons were created. They existed before the revolutions as well, and they were hosted by wealthy and witty wives of distinguished men in the French society. So wives of wealthy men used to host these gatherings. Now the members of these salons, basically the women members, they were called saloniers. So saloniers, as these women were called, they enjoyed a lot of indirect power. Now the word I would like to draw your attention to the word indirect power. Direct power is not given here. It's saying indirect power they enjoyed because they did not have legal rights. The women did not have legal rights. They were considered as intellectuals equal to the men in the society, but they did not have those legal rights. So, thus, we say that they enjoyed indirect power. They were either the daughter and wives of French ministers or the daughter and wives of aristocrats. So, thus, we can say that they were highly educated as well. Now, these women did not have legal rights but were considered as intellectuals equal to the men in the society. Even today, there is a debate regarding the real nature of the salon and the role it performed in the history. So, even today, if we see, there is a debate. It's not clear about the role that salons performed during that time. But we can clearly say that salons did provide a platform for the women to influence to influence have that influence on the life of the people outside the domestic sphere. The rich and the influential women, as we call them the saloniers, they continued to hold meetings and discuss about the political situation in France. Their conversations जो है influenced their political segments, their popular sentiments, and shifted political opinion. Rest we will continue in the next video. Hope you like it. Thank you.